Hey everybody, Jandareview, and we are back at Great American RV here in Huntsville, Alabama on a great sunny hot day. If you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Today, we're going to be looking at a big one, a 2024 Jayco Bungalow, model number 40LSDS. So let's get started. The length on this bungalow is 41 feet 11 inches, 42 feet.
Yeah.
Dry weight is 11,940 pounds, and at hitch weight is 1,010.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so this is definitely not something that you're going to take on your weekend camping.
You sure? I believe a half-ton full.
But if you have a lovely lake area or somewhere, a permanent site, this would be an absolutely awesome choice.
Wow.
Not a lot of outside storage on these. That's just the way these are designed. But you have a little bit right here.
Okay.
And you see you got some extra chairs and stuff under there. There's just really not a whole lot to see on this side, so we'll just
Not really.
Yeah, we'll just walk around real quick. But you can see all these nice big windows. Your dump area is right down there. All right, it is prepped for a Lippert ladder right up there. And then you have all of these just awesome windows up here.
Big windows.
Do we know the awning length?
Yes, it is 20 feet.
20-foot awning. Now you will notice that these do not have solid steps because, I mean, most of the time you're going to take this somewhere and build a deck.
Yep, this is sharp.
So.
All right, the
Yeah.
air conditioner's on.
Oh, I wish the air conditioner was on.
Wow.
All right. I mean,
Goodness gracious.
this one is just awesome. So
I'm
we'll
just gonna start right back here. Start opening up things.
yeah, I got all this storage around your microwave.
Wow. Whew, nice.
Nice oven. These do have solid surface countertops in here. 3-burner cooktop.
Wow. That's a new style insignia. I like that soft closing right back. No, we're not sitting
Yeah,
level.
no, we're not level. But
Oh,
here.
it's movie magic.
Pantry is going to be right here. Great shelves all the way down.
Woo.
Right over here underneath. Oh, guys, I want to take a seat here. Got this awesome island here. So you got spaces here for some bar stools, which I think are under one of those.
Under the bed.
Yes. Great split sink with a high-rise faucet.
Solid surface. Yeah.
Very nice countertops in here.
All right.
Fridge.
Oh, well, you sit down over there and you...
Well, I sit down because I am out of shape and it's extremely hot today. French door at the top with 2 freezer drawers.
Okay, now what?
Now, I am actually sitting here on this wonderful sofa. And your entertainment center is going to be right in front of you. Televator. Y'all, okay, while that's going up, just all of these windows out here are just
There you go.
amazing. Ceiling fan that I wish was on. Electric fireplace down here. One day it will cool off and you will need it. Today is not that day. Your heating vents are going to be on the floor in here. Oh, wow. Okay, I have to get up now so y'all can see this, but...
All right, well, that couch there turns into a bed.
Yeah.
But then you have this
that.
over here. This is...
That would be great, I guess, for your... Hey, I guess if people still do DVDs and stuff, stash it right there behind the sofa.
You could actually put a little canned goods in there if you want to, I guess.
But you've got this L-shaped sofa here.
This is sharp.
Is there storage right there? I guess so.
Where?
Right in front.
Well, I don't know. I felt. Oh my gosh.
Oh, it pulls out.
It's your
little
ottoman.
Storage ottoman.
Now that's just too cool.
Well,
That's just too cool.
it is. And yes, like he said, this will, it's a trifold. Yeah, so it'll make into a sleeping area. Wow. So it actually makes a really big sleeping area.
That is so cool. All right.
Super, super nice.
Oh, you got drawers in the stairs.
Yeah, so no wasted space here. I'm going to hand this to him so he can show you this loft up there.
All right, here we go.
That has real steps.
Real steps. Look at here. All right. Well, let's see. You got cable hookup over there. I'm still looking. Yeah, there's your power, and USB is on the other side of that.
It does have air conditioning vents up there.
Yes. Okay. You want to go ahead and check this out first?
We might as well while we're here. This is awesome. You guys are going to love this. Yeah, you do have a step, but here is the bathroom.
Biggest bathroom.
Oh my word. Now Jeremy's 6 feet tall. Now that's not a real skylight because there's a loft up above, but it gives you some extra headroom up there. Yes, neat little seat.
Wow.
Your foot flush toilet's in a great spot. Area for washer and dryer if you need it, or hanging if you don't need it.
Wow.
Right over here. No medicine cabinet behind that, but it is huge mirror. So you've got all of this for linen and all of that underneath that sink.
Wow.
This is an awesome
amazing bathroom. Yeah.
Oh, and there's a drawer down here under this first step too. In case
did I miss that one?
Yeah.
Well, here, let me. Oh, no, it's a little access.
Oh, it's access
for your vacuum system.
Well.
Oh. Well.
It just gets better.
Sometimes it takes a little bit to amaze us, but this one has got it.
Yeah, this one is definitely being really nice. And
let me go up here.
Go right on up because it's got
goodness.
A second loft area.
Hey, wait a minute. You may have to come on up. I've got to get on up in here.
I can't come up there.
Yeah, you can. Come on.
What if I just do that?
You got a drawer right here. You got power and USB on this side. Let me look over here. Nope, you got power and you got cable hookup over here.
Oh, wow.
And you've got a Whisper Quiet air conditioner right here.
Super.
Okay.
Okay.
That's sharp.
Now we'll see how you get down.
And you've got the curtain.
Yeah, privacy curtains, so you can pull those.
Okay. Now don't laugh if I fall.
Oh, I won't laugh too much.
Okay, thank you. All right.
All right, now you got another step down, but this is going to be your main bedroom. So this has a king-size bed.
Wow.
It does have a slide there. Yeah. There's all your bar stools.
Yep, for your table. Oh, well, for your table, for your
island.
Hi-ya!
Ooh, very good.
There we go.
And then you got this neat little bench right at the front.
I don't know if you can see that, but there is storage all up under this. So, doors all the way.
And then right here at the foot of the bed is a dresser.
Okay.
I think I'm sitting on a screen door.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
But we're not finished. There's...
What else we like?
Well, there's reading lights, and then we've got this little closet right here.
Oh. Okay.
It's not very little. That's a pretty good size.
And you got little drawers.
Oh, here.
Up under.
That's nice.
And drawers right there. Yep. Try not to move too fast.
Yeah, that's a great closet in here.
Cool. And we missed this.
Oh, well, let's see.
Let you turn. And you've got this little closet with a little hanging rod in it.
Super nice.
All right.
Okay, just all these windows are just amazing.
All right, everybody, if you want this or like this or want it or need it, gotta have it, bungalow.
Can't live without it.
Can't live without it. There you go. And it's hot and I am so out here. So if you like this bungalow, the dealership's information be down in our description. And always check out their website, which will be there also. And like everything, what else am I missing? Oh, if you
like
just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.